tank lift kit off the net and it was bent. So tried, obviously when installing it on the tank, it sort of cracked the coating and the part has started to rust. So not very happy with that. So what I had done is we drew up these two plates and had them laser cut from stainless steel, and then we've just coated them with a coating called gun coat. It's very similar to Cerakote. So I'm going to install those on the bike. And then finally going to change out the tank cap for this Harley Davidson flush mount fuel cap. Let's get started. To take this tank lift kit off, I've got to loosen this bottom bolt, which goes all the way through the frame. And then there's a nut inside here that holds this strut or support, the tank support. So once I loosen that, I'm going to prop something under the tank to hold it up, and then I can loosen that, take it out, and we can put the new ones in. Let's take it off. To keep the tank supported, I'm just going to put a tennis ball under the tank between the main frame and the lower part of the tank. There's the old piece out. I've shortened the bolts. So, and I've also raised the tank a little bit so that I can actually get my fingers in there and work with it, because it's quite difficult to try and get in between the tank and the frame itself. But let's get this first one in. Can slip the new bolt in. There we go, it's on and tight. There we go, it's fitted and tight. I think that looks so much nicer than that. And it's ever so slightly less. So we bring the tank a little bit down, but looks factory. Looks really, really nice. Yeah, you can see the other side, that's got the nylock nut and it's flush, so finishes it off quite nicely. Not as pretty this side, but this is a side that's leaned over. I want to clean around the area with some benzene to make sure that there's no oils or anything that can stop the double-sided tape from sticking. So now I can put the new fuel cap in. Press it down and twist it, and then I've got this little ring which needs to be double-sided taped on. So let's get this on. Down. There we go. And spacing looks good. To get it out, you twist. And there we go. The new gloss black flush mount tank cap. That looks so nice. Much nicer than the skull. There we go. I'm so much happier now. That looks so much nicer, so much neater. It almost looks factory. It's much nicer than that other tank lift kit that I bought. And the tank cap, this is so minimal. It's nice. I'll do some B-roll for you guys. It looks really, really nice. Much nicer than that skull that was on top. Thank you guys for watching the video all the way to the end. Really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing. Leave me your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to support the channel, there's a join button below that will give you early access to content and a couple other perks at a later stage. Until the next video,